Okay, let's talk about the Crebo manufacturing example. And so, once again, I've taken the information out of your book, and this is the information given in example 3.10 of your book. And with Crebo, this company produces 4 types of structural fittings. They produce plugs, rails, rivets, and clips. And so if you look over here to the bottom left, the plugs I've called X1, the rails are X2, the rivets are X3, and the clips are X4. So I've taken the table and just, rewritten the table. And this problem goes on to tell you that these structural fittings are machined on 2 CNC machining centers. And then the machining centers have a capacity of 280,000 minutes per year, right? And then it goes on to tell you, the table gives you the gross profit, the gross margin per unit, and the machining requirements in terms of time for each of the units as well. So in setting this up, again, we're talking about gross margins, which is related to profit. So we're maximizing, which is why I have it in green for dollars, right? And we know that there's 30 cents for plugs. There's $1.30 for rails, 75 cents per unit for rivets, and then $1.20 per unit for clips, which I refer to as X4. My constraints are very clear cut in manufacturing. So minutes per units, 1 minute per unit for X1, 2.5 for X2, 1.5 for X3, and 2 for X4. And we know that we're limited to 280,000 minutes per year. So that's less than 280,000 for the one constraint that we have with this problem. Now I'm going to, in the next video, show you how to do this using Excel.